If you want to earn commissions by recommending a trusted writing tool, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for the Grammarly affiliate program step by step. I'll walk you through the full application process, which program to choose, how to accept the terms, and what happens after you submit your details. This is a simple process, but choosing the right option and filling everything out correctly can save you time and help you get approved faster. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software walkthroughs just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com/affiliates. This is the official Grammarly affiliates page, and this is where the application begins. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Become an Affiliate and click it. That will take you to the application flow. Now, Grammarly will show you a few different program options, so take a moment to choose the ones that best fits your platform and audience. If you have a general website or blog, the standard Grammarly program is usually the best fit. If you create content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other social platforms, then Grammarly Creator is the one you'll probably want to apply for. And if your audience is more focused on productivity, business tools, or email workflows, then Superhuman Mail may be the better choice. Once you've selected the program that matches your content, click Apply Now. After that, Grammarly will ask you to sign up and review the contract terms. This is an important step, so don't rush through it. Read through the terms carefully so you understand the rules, commission structure, and how the affiliate relationship works. When you're ready, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll see a checkbox that says, I have read and accepted the terms. Check that box, then click Continue to move forward. Next, Grammarly will ask you to sign in. If you already have a Grammarly account, just log in with your existing credentials. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account and link it to the affiliate portal. This connects your account to the program and lets Grammarly track your affiliate activity properly. After that, you'll land on the application form. Here, you'll need to submit your details, including your website, your social media links, and your payment information. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. If you're applying as a creator, your social links should clearly show your content and audience. If you're applying with the website, make sure it looks professional and relevant to the Grammarly audience. Take your time on this part, because your application is basically your first impression. A clean, complete application can help your chances of getting approved. Once you submit everything, all you have to do is wait. Grammarly usually takes about 2 business days to review and approve applications, so don't worry if you don't hear back instantly. After approval, log back into the affiliate portal and you'll be able to access your banners, custom links, and promotional assets. That's the full process. Go to the affiliate page, choose the right program, accept the terms, sign in, complete your form, and wait for approval. After that, you're ready to start promoting Grammarly and earning through your affiliate links. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.